In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly organize your design projects using folders in Canva. Being able to manage your digital workspace efficiently can save you a lot of time and frustration, especially when working on multiple projects or collaborating with others. A well-structured system allows you to focus more on your creative process and less on hunting for files, so let's dive straight into it. To begin, head over to Canva. Once there, look for the Projects tab, usually located on the left-hand side of the homepage. Clicking on Projects will take you to your dashboard where all your ongoing and completed design work is stored. This is your main area for managing everything you've created in Canva. Next, click on the Add New button within your project's dashboard. This will reveal various options for organizing your work, a crucial step that sets the stage for creating a logical, easy-to-navigate system. From the options, select Folder. Creating a new folder is like making a digital filing cabinet where you can categorize different projects, clients, or design types separately. Once you've clicked to create a folder, you'll be prompted to name it. Choose a clear, descriptive name based on its content, like the project name, type of design, or client. A good label helps you quickly find what you need at a glance, streamlining your workflow. After naming your folder, click Continue to save it. This ensures your folder is fully ready to store your designs. Now, click Open to access the folder. Here, you'll see your new folder ready for action. To add your designs, click Add Design. This will open all your available projects. Begin sorting your designs by selecting which ones belong in the folder. If you have numerous projects, browsing through your dashboard gives you a quick overview, helping you organize efficiently. Finally, select all designs you want to store in the folder and click Move. This transfers the chosen designs into your new folder, completing the organization process, and there you have it, a simple and effective method to organize your Canva projects using folders. With your designs neatly categorized, you can enjoy a more streamlined workflow, spend less time searching for files, and focus fully on what truly matters, your creativity.